I took this out of the laundry. Girl, look at this. See, this one's really coming out. This would happen to me. You guys, I'm so sad. Now I can't even wear this. I can't be looking dusty. Just using some Oxy. And I can't even put this in the washer because this is still going. I'm gonna have to put this in. I cannot leave this. This better not stain. Oh my lord, please don't stain my clothes. Does this also remove stuff in the laundry? Yes, I'm putting this in there too. I took this out of the laundry. Girl, look at this. The girl said if you take Dawn, it'll remove washed in foundation. And I only have the foam. It's everywhere, girl. It's everywhere. I just don't want this to be ruined. I didn't get enough uses out of it. She said scrub it in. And I'm gonna have to put this back in the wash. Oh, I see it coming out. It's like in the foamy parts. Hold up now. She might be onto something. She said you really gotta get in there and scrub it out. So much foam I can't even see. Like the foundation just splattered. I don't even know how because it was on my beauty blender and I think it just like fell off and flung onto my sleeve. Like y'all see the foundation coming out? Because that OxyClean did absolutely nothing. See, this one's really coming out. That's a hack. That was like the biggest splotch. I don't care if it's like faded, that's better than like it being so stark. But I feel like I'll be able to get it out completely with this method. Dang, it's really everywhere. Oh, Lord help me. Wow, that one completely came out, I think. I won't know until I wash it again, but I can't even see that. And now I think I'm just spreading the stain and making it worse. Oh my God, I am, because my nails have makeup all over it. Okay, so that's what it looks like now. I'm gonna try it one more time. You just have to kind of like rinse the foam away after you scrape it out, because then it'll penetrate new stains in other spots. Good as new. That's the life hack, guys. Go get you some Dawn if you ever happen to have a makeup stain in your clothing and you just can't get it out even after washing. This did the trick. I feel like it'll come in clutch for some of the girlies out there that be getting makeup stains. This is not the first time this has ever happened to me. In fact, I had a Skims tee that had a makeup stain on it, and then the next time I wore it, I put a stain in the same exact spot. So now I have a life hack.